we haven't actually heard anything about it.
हिंदी में जो होता क्या हमें तो यही ना पता.
I think it's basically the local music.
इंडी म्यूजिक वो होती है जो इंडिपेंडेंट लोग अपना खुद घर में पतीला, तमंचा और ढोलक वोलक निकाल लाते हैं.
Indie music is the music which the local people create over here, and it is like the natural creation with all the Indian musics and the Western music composing together.
People make homegrown productions and do their own thing and make their own music.
Anything which is Indian but with a fusion of say trance or rock and roll or hip hop or something like that.
So according to me, it's own way of doing things differently. Like if you compare MTV Unplugged, so it's an original song and someone is composing it in a different manner.
Indie music is a music genre which is independent of any tags or labels from other genres.
And some bands will just get together and compose some kind of music. I'm not much into music, but this is what all I've heard about it.
For me, I would say it's an individual's expression of his own things.
Where artists don't need a label or a music director, or they don't need to tie up with a movie to get their voice on a track.
Is soulful and is reflecting the people and the culture of the particular region.
My favorite band is Indian Ocean.
Agni, Euphoria,
Pentagram, Indus Creed.
I think PCRC is one of the bands I listen to. It's called Peter Cat Recording Company, and they are one of the best indie bands in Delhi right now.
In India, I would say Indian Ocean is good. I think it has its root connected to India.
I think it's more soulful than the usual rock and roll things that we have.
I'm from England. There's loads of indie music bands. My favourite one is the Vaccines, who are playing here this weekend at NH7, by the way.
We want to promote indie music.
I think the charm of indie music is that it's not too popular. That's why it's different from pop culture. So it should be promoted, but in a very mediocre sort of way.
Yeah, I think they should be promoted everywhere. You know, music is something like which just liberates you, which just brings out something from within you. So I think it should be really promoted.